Ouch, my arm. One day, I was feeling pain in my arm.
Ouch, my arm.
I waited a few days to see if it lasted.
It's nothing.
It did last. A friend came. He was worried.
I don't know, man, it just hurts. Let's go to the doctor.
My arm was broken. They put a cast on it.
Oh gosh, I have to wear this for how long?
At home, my friends welcomed me and helped me.
Would you like some tea? Can I sign your cast?
I felt better.
What if it's not a broken bone, but a broken soul?
Be kind to yourself.
It's not your fault.
Let's talk.
It's the same with mental health.